A Tiger Called Thomas, written by Charlotte Zolotow and retold by Sarah from 207. Once upon a time there was a little boy. His name was Thomas, and he was very nice. But when he moved, he thought the people might not like him, so he never left the steps of his house. Thomas sat watching all the kids play, day after day. His mom tried to make him go out and make friends, but he still never left his steps. Days went on, just him and himself, while his mom still tried to get him to play. When Halloween came, his mom bought him a tiger costume, and she said no one will know it's you when you go trick-or-treating. He went to an old lady's house, and she said, "Why, hello, Thomas." "That's funny," the tiger said. She called the tiger Thomas. The tiger went to another lady's house, and she said, "Why don't you play with Marcy tomorrow, Thomas?" He checked if his mask was covering his whole face, and it was. When his trick-or-treating was over, he decided to go back home. Does he get over his fear, and will he make friends? Why not check it out in the library to find out more?